Alright, in this video, we're gonna do some basic arithmetic math in Bash. Okay, so sometimes when we are writing a script, we need to do some basic mathematics. So for example, sum some numbers and divide some numbers or multiply some numbers, subtraction some numbers. Okay, some very simple mathematics. And there's quite a few ways to do that. And it's not sometimes just two numbers, you probably have multiple numbers. But for the demo purpose, we just demo a few common ones, okay? So list here, I list like 5 commands we are going to demo here. The top 2 is basically more like traditional, like old-fashioned, and EXPR and let. The double parentheses, this format, it is basically like a modern way to do the mathematics. And also we have BC and awk. They are very powerful command. I mean, small and powerful, they're more generic. Okay, so let's do some demo. All right, so let me log on to a system, Linux system, so we can do some math. Okay, so this is the system I'm gonna use. Okay, so you don't have to log on to a system if you have like WSL on your laptop or Sequin, those kind of Linux utilities on Windows. You can do it as well. Okay, so I just log on to a system so we can do it. Okay, so let's first do some addition. So the example I'm going to use, it is this number. Okay, 1024, that is 1K. 1024 plus 1024. Okay, so let's get another window. So the first I'm gonna demo how to use an EXPR. Okay, so the EXPR is very simple, just XPR and followed by 2 numbers. Okay, so it's gonna, in this case, we're gonna do 1024, right? Plus 1024. What do you expect? And this will probably error out. Let's see, not error out. They didn't give the the result, so we have to put space between these 2 numbers. Okay, you can see it. All right, it's 2048. So that is the old-fashioned use EXPR. So we can also use another command called let. So we can use let. Let's see. We're gonna use let command to do the same. Okay, but this time we're gonna do let. So we're gonna introduce a variable. Let's see, s equal to this 2. Okay. So the value is assigned to these variables. We can retrieve use like $, as this 2048, right? So let's see if you put a space, what's gonna happen. Give a syntax error. So for those old-fashioned, the space matters. Okay, so sometimes you need a space, sometimes you don't. Okay, so that is the XPR and let command. So the third one is more modernized version. So basically, it's called a double parentheses. So let's do that. Let me retrieve some command. Okay, so this is, let's use this one, double parentheses and $. Okay, $, double parentheses, $, double parentheses. Should need the echo. Okay, let me put the echo. So they give us the number. Okay, So because this is going to be assigned to a variable, so we use echo to retrieve it. All right. So for this command, the space is not a matter. You can do this, same thing. Okay, so that is double parentheses. It is handy to use double parentheses doing certain like simple math. Okay, and the fourth one, it is the BC. So the BC command, let's see, you can do this way. Let's see, BC, right? So that is interactive. You can do like, let me copy this line. Copy. Let's go back to the command window. So this is more like an interactive way. Okay, you can do whatever you like, Let's see. Plus 12 minus 34 times 9 divided by 12, something like that. Okay, so that is the interactive way. Okay, let me quit this section. So from the non-interactive, you basically pass these numbers through the pipe standard into this command. Let's do this one. Okay, so I'm going to echo these two numbers, echo. So this is gonna give an expression, you see. So after we echo this, we're gonna pipe to command BC, right? So they give us 2048. So the space doesn't matter, okay? So if we remove the space, you will get the same result. So that is the second, third, fourth. So let's do the awk. So the awk is similar. So we're gonna do echo these numbers, but I don't want this plus, okay? So I just echo these two numbers. And after that, we're gonna pipe to awk. So the awk command, we're gonna use print, okay? So print, we're gonna print $1, that is the first number, then plus $2, that is the second number. So we're gonna get the same 2048. Okay, so now we demonstrate for the plus, expr, ret, double parentheses, bc, and awk for the simple addition. So let's do a similar one, but this time is multiplication. Okay, so for the multiplication, let's do the expr first. Okay, so we're gonna do expr. Let me reach. Okay, this one. So expr, we know we have to put a space between these two numbers. So let's use time, okay? So asterisk. So we're gonna get an error message, okay? So because for XPR, you have to escape this the multiplication operator, okay? So we use backslash. You can see you get this number, okay? And that is 1048,576, okay? So you can also do this way, I think, use single quote. Let's try. So you can get the same result. Let's use expr, okay? Now let's use the let. So we're gonna use the let command. So in this time, let's see, we're gonna remove this spaces. Let command may not like this one. So let's see, assign to the variable called p. So now let's echo $p. See what we're gonna do. We're gonna get 1048,576. Okay, so that is 1 million. So we demo the XPR and the let. Now let's do the double parentheses. Okay, so the double parentheses is similar. So we just like a double parenthesis parentheses. Okay, so we're going to use echo, double parentheses, and with the dollar sign in front of it. Okay, so we get echo dollar, missing a O. Okay, so that is double parentheses. We get the same number. All right. So as I said, space doesn't matter. Okay. All right. So let's go to the BC. BC called basic calculator. It's very powerful. You know, small command to do all kinds of mathematics. Okay. So let's see. We're gonna echo these two numbers, right? And echo these two numbers and the pipe to the BC, okay? But here is same thing because here the shell is gonna interpret this asterisk as everything, so we have to escape, okay? So let's try backslash to escape. You know, that is one way, okay? We can also use a single or double quote. So let's see, I'm going to put this into double quote, then pipe to BC, okay? So here we use integers. BC can also handle like decimals, you know, those kind of things, okay? And so that is the BC. Now let's go to the awk. So the awk command the same. So we just echo these two numbers, whatever number, 3 numbers or 4, whatever number you have. So echo these two numbers. Then we send it to the awk command. So print single print and $1 times $2. Okay, so we'll get the number. Okay, so that is the awk. So let me see one more thing. Okay, so let me retrieve the this command. So for this command, you can see it if we use echo and double quote this expression and pipe to BCS works. But the same command, if we use the expression, let's see what we get. I just you know, FYI here. You see, they just echo this two numbers and the asterisk sign. Okay, so for expression to work, you cannot use double quote to quote this expression. Okay, so you have to just like use a single quote, just the operator itself, or use backslash. All right, so that's basic all for this simple demo. Just some basic way to do calculate summation and multiplication, division, subtractions using those basic command. Okay, so that's all for today.